Bota welding and cutting company. Welcome to see our factory. I'd like to introduce you the power pole, light pole, any kind of pole welding machine. This is the very long, super long welding boom, welding machine for the power pole. We are now painting. This is almost finished. This is the wire feeder. Let's see how long it is. Normally, we produce the power pole with 12 meters. This is the inner longitudinal seam welding machine. This is the MIG welding torch. You can see when it connects with the computer, it can automatic moving, and also for the seam tracker, you can see. So this machine is not very complex, but the quality has to be very good. So thank you. Let's see this one. This is for the outside seam welding machine, the gantry style with the submerged arc welding for the longitudinal outside seam. It's not ready yet. I just show you. So thank you. If you want to know more, see the links below and contact me freely. Thank you.